You want a Standwich? Bread. Ooh. Just take it out. Take it out slowly. Big sandwich. More for me for later. The butt of the joke. Nice and stable. Okay. Okay. Nice and stable. Trick, of course, is to make sure you glue it on a little bit of mayonnaise, okay? Ready? That's good. Some tomato. Not the whole tomato. The bread. Little bit more mayo, because that's how we get things to stay put. Okay? Gotta glue them together. That's the trick. Cheese. The tomato. A little bit of salt. A little bit more. Because it's got to stick together. And when you eat it, you tend to just fold it in half, and so you want some mayonnaise on both sides, okay? She's ready. Here you go. Let's eat. Okay, here's all you do. You just lay it down. Slide the meat on. And I think I'm gonna go get another tomato. I got enough slices I can do that. Perfect.